Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Electrify America charging stats using app exports. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Electrify America app on your device. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to the charging section in the app. Look for a menu icon or three-dot menu, typically located in the upper right corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal additional options. Select Export Data or a similar option from the list. Choose the date range for the charging stats you wish to backup. Confirm your selection by tapping on Next or Continue. Select your preferred file format for the export, such as CSV or PDF. Review the summary of the data that will be exported. Tap on Export or Download to initiate the process. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the export is finished, a notification or download link will appear. If prompted, specify where you'd like to save the exported file. Check your device's designated Downloads folder to locate the downloaded file. Open the file to ensure the data has been exported correctly. Make sure to store the file in a secure location for future reference. You now have a backup of your Electrify America charging stats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.